Good morning, Standard 9 students. Today, new chapter, expansion, chapter 4. Right. What is this chapter? This chapter is not new for you. You have studied in 7 and 8 also. The same formula you have to use here. No different formula, and to solve the questions. The formula is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. These are the formula you have studied in the previous classes also. The same formula you have to use here also to solve this chapter 4. So first one, a plus b whole square. This is a square plus b square plus 2. When minus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2. These two are the main formula. Now, if the question is given a plus 1 by a square, when we compare with the main formula, in place of a there is a, in place of b there is 1 by a. Right? We will use the same result. What is the result? A square. And b square means 1 by a square. Plus 2ab. 2 into a is a, b is 1 by a. Cancel. What is left? A square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Similarly, if a minus b, 1a minus 1 by a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Right. So the question is given, you have to see what is given in the question in place of a or what is given in place of b, and you have to use the result. Example, suppose you have to find 2a plus 3, 2a plus by 3b plus 3a, 3b by 2a square. So when we compare with the formula a plus b whole square, in place of a there is 2a by 3b, in place of a there is 3b by 2. Use the result. What the result? A square 2a by 3b whole square plus b square 3b by 2a whole square plus 2. A is 2a by 3b, b is 3b by 2. So into signs they are same. This will be cancelled. And since it is a square, that is 2a square means 4a square. By 3b whole square means 9, 3a square means 9, b square. Plus 9 3b square means 3a square means 9, b square by 4a square, and here left only 2. This is our answer. If minus sign, then we will use a minus b whole square. Right? Now, a plus b whole square and plus a minus b whole square. If we will add these two results together, what value will we get? Since you know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is plus 2ab and this is minus 2ab, cancel. What is it? A square plus h square become 2a square, b square plus b square plus 2b square, 2 is common, left a square plus b square. This is the result when we add a plus b whole square and plus a minus b whole square, then the result is 2a square plus b square. Same way, if if we add a plus 1 by a square plus a minus 1 by a square, what is the result? A plus 1 by a square means a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 plus a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. The minus 2 and plus 2 will be cancelled. So a square plus a square becomes 2a square and 2 is 1 by a square. Take 2 common, a square plus 1 by a square is the result when we add these two values. 8. Similarly, when we subtract this one, a plus b whole square plus a minus b, subtract minus a minus b whole square. 8. So when we subtract, then a square plus b square plus 2ab, and minus sign is there, then it becomes minus a square minus b square. 8 plus 2ab. This will be cancelled. So result will be 4ab. So when we subtract a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, then the result is equal to 4ab. Similarly, when a minus 1 by a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square, the result will be equal to 8. So these are the formula you have to learn, or if you can't learn, use this formula to solve the question. The formula will come in your mind automatically. Now, if digit is given, suppose 502, and you have to find the square of this number. Don't multiply the number 502 2 times and write the value. You have to write the answer by using the formula. So first of all, you have to write this number in the form of formula, either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So we can write this one 500 plus 2 square. Now in place of this become converted into a plus b whole square. In place of a there is 500, in place of b there is 2. So what is the formula? A square means 500 square plus b square means 2 square plus 2ab, 2 into 500 and b means 2. Now you have to, this become 25 plus 4, 2000, and this value, this is your answer. So don't multiply, once again, don't multiply 502 into 502 and write the answer. You have to write this question first in the formula form, then you have to expand and then write the answer. If question is 998, or we can write 1000 minus 2 square we have to write. Now this become a minus b whole square form. So this become 1000 a square plus b square 2 square minus 2ab, 2 into 1000 into 2. So this become plus 4 minus 4000. Add and subtract it, that will be the final value. 8. So this type of question is there that you have to use the formula and to find the value. Two a by 3b plus 3b by 2a square minus 2a by 3b minus 3b by 2a square and minus 4 is given. What will be the value? Since I have already given you a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. What is the result? A plus 1 by a square minus 1 by a square. 8. So a minus 1 by a whole square plus a plus 1 by a whole square. This one. And second formula, a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square, that is equal to 4. So where you will use this form, or a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. So write 4. A is 2a by 3b, b is 3b by 2a, and this minus 4 is given in the question. So 3b cancel, that is 4 minus 4, that is 0. Hey, so what you come to know about this chapter? The most important one, the formula that you have to learn. Hey, without learning the formula, you cannot use the proper formula in proper question. So you have to learn this formula. Some more question I will explain you next class. Thank you very much.